How to download Blackmagic camera on iPhone. So if you want to use the Blackmagic cam on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can download and install the Blackmagic cam on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to download the Blackmagic cam or Blackmagic camera on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now once you open the App Store, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, then search for Blackmagic cam. Camera, and then click on it. Once you search for Blackmagic camera, you're going to see the Blackmagic camera here. Go ahead, click on it. Now go ahead and tap on the download button. Once you tap the download button, in some iPhone, you'll be prompted to press the start button 3 times or click on install on the screen depending on your settings. And afterward, you'll be prompted to type in your Apple account password. And now once you type in your Apple account password, the Blackmagic camera will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone, and you can now go ahead, open the app, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to download and install Blackmagic cam on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.